बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी। रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 23 फरवरी 2025 के अखबार में करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ ट्रांस पेशावर की ये जॉब है। मैं तो खैर अखबार में से पढ़ रही हूँ। ट्रांस पेशावर द अर्बन मोबिलिटी कंपनी इज़ अ कंपनी सेटअप अंडर सेक्शन 42 ऑफ द कंपनीज एक्ट 2017 एंड इट्स responsible for project implementation, management and maintenance of urban rapid transit projects assigned by the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Urban Mobility Authority. The company is seeking for dynamic, experienced and self-driven professionals for the following positions. Serial number 1, name of Post Intelligent Transport Systems ITS Specialist. पोजीशन 1। जॉब प्रोफाइल तो आप लोग देख लीजिएगा। रिक्वायर्ड क्वालिफ़िकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस बता रही हूँ। क्वालिफ़िकेशन मिनिमम 16 ईयर्स डिग्री इन ITS इंजीनियरिंग, कंप्यूटर साइंस, इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम, ट्रांसपोर्ट प्लानिंग, टेलीकॉम, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और रिलेटेड फील्ड फ्रॉम अ रिकग्नाइज्ड यूनिवर्सिटी. द कैंडिडेट्स हैविंग मास्टर्स डिग्री इन द अबव फील्ड्स will be considered an added advantage. Experience minimum 8 years of post qualification experience including 2 years in intelligent transportation systems design, undertaking / overseeing maintenance and operations. A minimum of 2 years of experience in a similar role will be considered an added advantage. Age requirement up to 50 years on closing date of applications. 2. Transport planning and operations specialist position 1. Qualification minimum 16 years degree from a recognized university in civil engineering, transport planning and engineering, transport planning, transportation economics or related field from a recognized university. Candidates having master's degree in the above fields will be considered an added advantage. Experience minimum of 8 years of post qualification experience of post qualification, relevant experience in transport planning, GIS analysis, rule structuring. Age requirement up to 50 years on closing date of applications. तीसरी पोस्ट है ट्रांसपोर्ट प्लानिंग एंड डेटा एनालिस्ट पोजीशन 1. क्वालिफिकेशन मिनिमम 16 years डिग्री इन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इंजीनियरिंग / प्लानिंग, transportation economics or related field from a recognized university. Experience minimum 5 years post qualification experience in the relevant field. Candidates with master degree in the mentioned fields along with 3 years experience are also eligible to apply. Age requirement up to 35 years on closing date of applications. 4. Assistant manager mechanical position 1. Qualification minimum 16 years degree in mechanical engineering or relevant field from a recognized university. Master's degree in mechanical or a combination of disciplines of mechanical engineering or related fields from a recognized university will be considered an added advantage. Experience minimum 5 years post qualification experience in the relevant field. A minimum of 3 years of experience in operations and maintenance of elevators, escalators and generators and 1 years of experience on a similar role will be considered an advantage. Age requirement up to 35 years on closing date of applications. Number 5. Assistant manager BRT control center position 1. Qualification minimum 16 years degree in transport planning and engineering, electronics / telecom / electrical engineer, management or other qualifications of relevance from a recognized university. Master's degree in above fields from a recognized university will be considered an added advantage. Experience minimum 5 years of post qualification experience. A minimum of 3 years experience in automated fare collection AFC system. Age requirement up to 35 years on closing date of applications. 6. Budget and accounts officer position 1. Qualification minimum 16 years degree from a recognized university in a commerce, finance, business administration, accounting or ACCA/CA inter or a closely related field. Experience minimum of 3 years of post qualification relevant experience in financial matters at government/public sector/reputed private companies. Age requirement up to 35 years on closing date of applications. 7. IT support officer position 1. Qualification minimum 16 years degree in IT or computer science from a recognized university. Experience minimum of 3 years of post qualification experience in the field. Minimum 2 years experience in the similar role will be considered an advantage. Age requirement up to 35 years on closing date of applications. 8. Facilities officer position 1. Qualification bachelor's degree in electrical engineering from a recognized university. Experience minimum 3 years post qualification experience. At least 1 year experience in electrical maintenance. Work supervision will be an added advantage. Age requirement below 35 years on closing date of applications. 9. Procurement executive position 1. Qualification minimum 16 years of education in business administration, economics or relevant field from a recognized university. Experience minimum 2 years of post qualification general experience. Experience in procurement/project administration /supply chain management will be given preference. Age requirement below 30 years on closing date of applications. 10. Operation supervisor 2. Qualification bachelor's degree in civil engineering, mechanical engineering, industrial engineering, transport planning/operation/engineering, urban infrastructure engineering/planning or relevant field. Experience minimum 2 years post qualification experience. Experience in monitoring, reporting and supervision will be considered an added advantage. Age requirement below 30 years on closing date of applications. Detailed job description/position requirements with job application form are available on company's website www.transpeshawar.pk. How to apply. Application deadline 5 p.m. of 10th March 2025. Market-based competitive salary package will be offered to the right candidates. Interested candidates meeting the above criteria may apply by filling the job application form supported by CV, covering letter and copies of educational and experience certificates, CNIC and photographs shall be sent by email to jobs@transpeshawar.pk. Please write post apply for in the subject line along with the candidate's name. Transpeshawar is committed to achieving workforce diversity in terms of gender and culture. Individuals from minority groups, indigenous groups and persons with disabilities are equally encouraged to apply. All applications will be treated strictly confidential. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।